I love kids so much that we wanted something in the community to bring them together, get them off the tablets, out of their house, to do something fun.
Bethany, you're the first grade teacher here in town that's wonderful in Powers Lake, and you brought your kids today. They are just enjoying it.
A pool isn't really feasible in our small community with the maintenance and everything, so we're like, what about a splash pad? So it's taken a couple of years for us to get here, but here we are, it's done, and they're enjoying it. Community members that helped. The mayor was a really big part of the project too. Carrie helped in so many ways.
And you mentioned Larry from the
Yes.
Powers Lake Park Board.
Yes, Larry has helped to just kind of keep it moving. He's helped a lot with like putting down the underneath stuff, the things you don't see, all the piping, the plumbing.
Yeah.
He helped with that, the muscles behind it.
We had a lot of local support. There were a few of us put in lots of long days, hot days. I was like thinking that splash pad's gonna be fun.
And that's the best part about the Land and Water Grant is you can match with volunteer, forced account labor. You also can just do a plain cash match, but it helps make these big projects just possible.
Perfect for a little town because it was quite a bit of work putting it in, but now it's almost zero like maintenance. You don't need anybody lifeguarding or babysitting it. There's a timer that turns it on. We have it set to turn on at 9 a.m. and shut off at 9 p.m. So I would just walk down once in a while and read the water meter and I'd know how many kids had used it that day. But really, you don't have to have anybody around to run it.
It's so cold! Families have texted me pictures and like, oh, thanks, we got to use it today. There's been birthday parties here. So you know the community is using it and the kids are talking about it at school.
There's a lake nearby, people can fish, a campground, you got playground equipment and shelters.
Yeah, it's a really nice location here. It created a pretty good buzz around town, more than I expected, I think.